Welcome to Hangul video series part 3. Last time we learned about how to pronounce and write all the characters of consonants and vowels. If you missed these lessons, you can check Hangul video series part 1 and 2 here. Today we'll learn ending consonants called 받침. Also, at the end of this lesson, I'll demonstrate how to order and combine the consonants, vowels, and ending consonants. Are you ready? The ending consonant, which is called 받침 in Korean, is the final consonant at the end of the Korean syllable. It is written in the final position of the word. All the consonants except 쌍비읍, 쌍디귿, and 쌍지읒 can be ending consonants. You've already learned how to pronounce all the consonants that are in the beginning of the syllable. But when these consonants are used at the end, sound may be different. There are 7 types of sound when you use the consonants at the end. These 3 characters have uk sound. When you use these at the beginning of the syllable, they all have distinctive sound, which are 그, 크, 그. But when it is used at the end of the syllable, they have the same sound. The sound is uk sound. Uk, uk, uk. For example, 그, 아, 윽, 그, 아, 윽, 갓, 갓. Second, 니은 has sound. 은. For example, 느, 오, 은, 느, 오, non. These all have different sound when they are used as beginning consonants. But when it's used as ending consonants, they have ut sound. Ut, ut, ut. For example, 트, 으, 읒, 트, 으, 읒, 틉, 끄, 으, 읒, 끝. 스, 오, 읒, 솥. 스, 아, 읒, 삿. 그, 아, 읒, 갓. 끄, 오, 읒, 꽃. 느, 어, 읒, 넛. Fourth, 리을 has sound. For example, 르, 오, 르, 오, 롤. Fifth, when you use mium as an ending consonant, it has sound. For example, 무, 오, 무, 오, 몸. Sixth, 비읍 and 피읍 have sound. For example, 프, 아, 프, 아, 밥. 스, 이, 스, 이, 십. Seventh, 이응 is a special character. When it is used at the beginning of the syllable, it has no sound. But when it is used at the end, it has sound. For example, 그, 아, 그, 아, 강. Now I'll demonstrate some examples of how to assemble Hangul, the Korean alphabet. When you write Hangul, make sure you write left to right, top to bottom. First, you write the consonant, then the vowel, and then the ending consonant. An. Another example. First the consonant, then the vowel, and then the ending consonant. 응. 안. 영. 하. 세. 요. 안녕하세요. 고. 마. 워. 요. 고마워요. 감. 사. 합. 니. 다. 감사합니다. 사. 랑. 해. 요. 사랑해요. 안. 영. 히. 개. 세. 요. 안녕히 계세요. 응원할게. 응원할게요. There is an expression that a lot of Koreans use. That expression is 답답해.